Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Auleta ZM from class R1 with student number is A1B 2230 So I made this video special from class listening and speaking for academic purposes, and the video about 50 vocabulary, and I 3 times say about 50 vocabulary. The first is lecture, dosen, professor, student is mahasiswa atau murid, class, semester, and syllabus, assignments, tugas, exam, ujian, grade, nilai, note, catatan, handout, ruang mata kuliah, attend, menghadiri, absen, kehadiran, pay attention, memusatkan perhatian, understand, mengerti, explain, menjelaskan, example, contoh, knowledge, pengetahuan, experience, pengalaman, background, latar belakang, perspective, pandangan, point, detail, rincian, clarify, memperjelas, define, mendefinisikan, illustrate, mengilustrasikan, repeat, mengulang, whiteboard, papan tulis putih, screen, layar, row, baris, desk, meja, aisle, lorong, chair, kursi, door, pintu, window, jendela, board, papan, blackboard, papan tulis, projector, mikrofon, remember, mengingat, take a note, mencatat, ask, bertanya, answer, menjawab, jawaban, presentation, presentasi, discuss, membahas, partisipasi, lecture hall, ruang kuliah, feedback, umpan balik. I think that's enough about 15 vocabulary, and I repeat 3 times. And thank you so much for you listen about my speaking about vocabulary, and see you next time.